Okay. Like, I'll go and sit back down. I think there's an ant in my shirt.